शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्न उपशान्तये सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमस्कारः। सर्वेषां मालती अभ्यासवर्गे स्वागतम्। अद्य पुनरेकवारं सन्धिविषये कांश्चन अभ्यासान् कृत्वा तदनन्तरं शानच् प्रत्ययं पश्यामहे। अस्तु, एकनिमिषम्। मम चित्रं दृश्यते खलु? अस्तु, कुत्र अस्ति? अत्र अस्ति। मम चित्रं दृश्यते खलु? अस्तु। क्रमः निर्दिष्टामः वा? अखिला, मधुमती, पल्लवी, स्वप्ना, तदनन्तरम् अहं। भवती आरम्भं करोतु भगिनी।
अस्मान् ताराय अस्तु, ताराय पूर्ववर्णः नकारः, परवर्णः तकारः. सो पूर्ववर्णस्य स्थाने नकारः अस्ति चेत् इट् केन् बि ऐदर् सत्त्वसन्धि और नमुडागम. सो अत्र तकारः अस्ति, सत्त्वसन्धि वा?
नमुडागम वा?
आं, पठन् अस्ति। अत्र सत्त्वसन्धि एव
भगिनी। नमुडागम इत्युक्ते नकार परं परवर्णस्य आदौ अच् भवनीयम्.
I am just saying that it can be either nakara is there are only 3 possibility, right? One is, so we'll go to that later. It is sattva sandhi here. So nakarat param nakarah asti, nakarat purvam swarah asti. Astu. So it is asman taraya अनुनासिक वर्णः अस्ति तकारात् पूर्वम्, अथवा अस्मान् ताराय अनुस्वारं भवति, सकारादेशः भवति खलु?
एकनिमिषम्। आं, सकार चन्द्रबिन्दु अपि भवति, सकारः अपि भवति। अस्मान् एकनिमिषम्।
अस्मान् ताराय. I think it is ताराय.
Akila Bagini, what
ताराय.
46 Bagini.
Namudagama. I have only heard Damudagama. Is that Namuda? Oh, it's Na. Oh. That dot missed my eyes. Okay.
Namudagamaha.
Okay.
एतत्तु विकल्पेन सत्त्वसन्धि तु विकल्पेन भवति. न एकनिमिषम्.
ऑप्शन द्वयम् अस्ति.
ऑप्शन द्वयम् अस्ति, नाट् विकल्पेन. सो अस्मान् ताराय एतदपि शुद्धमेव. चन्द्रबिन्दु अपि भवितुम् अर्हति, अनुस्वारमपि भवितुम् अर्हति. सत्त्वसन्धि. क्षम्यताम्. उत्तमं भगिनी. एकनिमिषं. नकारः अन्तिमवर्णः इत्युक्ते अनुस्वारसन्धि अपि नकारः अनुस्वारसन्धि अस्ति, तदनन्तरं सत्त्वसन्धि अस्ति, नमुडागमसन्धि अपि अस्ति, शुत्वसन्धि अपि अस्ति. शुत्वसन्धि शुत्वसन्धि अपि भवितुम् अर्हति. अस्तु वा? अस्तु, अग्रिमम्. In all these rules, नकारः अन्तिमवर्णः भवति. That's what I'm trying to say. मधुमती भगिन्याः अवसरः वा?
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते भगिनी. करोतु.
Kuvali plus chaya. I don't know the meaning.
मीनिङ्ग् अहमपि न जानामि भगिनि.
So I'm thinking it is there's one cha that comes. It is Kuvali Chaya, and this is what two. What is it called? Tu Tugagama Sandhi.
उत्तमम्.
Tugagama Sandhihi. So that is what it is. And this is I think it's a so it becomes one each also comes.
So as per this Tugagama, Tu Agama Sandhi. So what happens is when Dirgha Padante Dirgha Swara asti Tadanantaram Chakara asti chet tu वर्गः आगम भवति. इत्युक्ते तदनन्तरं कुवली, तदनन्तरम् इत्, तदनन्तरं छाया, छाया इति. तदनन्तरं तकारः चकारः मेलनेन चुत्वं भूत्वा.
Okay, Chutva Sandhi, so it becomes Kuvali Chaya, so it becomes Kuvali Chaya.
कुवली छाया इति भवति. पदान्ते दीर्घ अच् वर्ण परं चकारः अस्ति चेत् विकल्पेन कुवली छाया अपि साधु, कुवली छाया अपि साधु.
Without each also it can.
आम्, कुवली छाया अपि साधु. तुगागमसन्धि. ह्रस्व आम्, ह्रस्व अच् परं चकारः अस्ति चेत् नित्यं चकारः आदेशः भवति. अस्तु, नित्य तुगागमसन्धि भवति.
Can you say it again?
If it is a dirgha swara followed by chakaraha, it is an optional sandhi.
Okay, if it is rasva, then it has to happen. Okay.
It has to. It's a nitya. Compulsion happens when it is a rasva swara. You remember that much, huh? The other way around for the dirgha. Compulsion for rasva swara.
Bhagini, will you send this whatever we are working now?
Tadapi aham स्मारयितुं इच्छामि. एकनिमिषं.
Smarayitum is what?
I want to remind. I am trying to say to remind. Okay. सर्वाभ्यः एतत् डॉक्युमेंट एतत् पत्रस्य rights asti, viewing rights asti for all of you. Okay, I have already shared the link to this document. Punarekavaram api preshayishyami. Okay, punarekavaram tadanantaram preshayishyami. But all of you have got viewing rights to this document, so you can view these questions and what we discussed anytime you want. Kutrapi doshah asti chet kripaya vadatu. Aham I will correct it.
You access it through Classroom, is that right?
G Drive.
Probably I put it in Classroom, Bhagini. I can't really remember, but if you want, I will send this link once again. But this is the usual link that we had been, it's the same document that we had been using right from first. See, it's the same document where I had all these ta pratyaya. We discussed this ta pratyayas, different forms. We did these exercises. Probably in the first two Abhyasa Varga, I am Kritavatyaha eva. So all these things are all here. It is in one document. I am on updating. Okay. It is all in here, all the sandhi. So if you want, you can always go back to this document and check whatever you want.
Dhanyavad.
No problem, Bhagini. Astu. Chintamastu. Kasya avasarah? Pallavi Bhagini avasarah?
Eat te. अतु तदेव तिष्ठति वा? चर्त्वसन्धि वा?
चर्त्वं वा?
it takara
Takara yoga takara.
ष्टुत्व तर्हि
Shtutva. Shtutva.
ष्टुत्व अस्ति तर्हि तत्र तु ट एव तिष्ठति.
एवं वा? एकनिमिषम्. टकारानन्तरं टवर्गः भवति चेत् ष्टुत्वमध्ये
तकारस्य टकार भवति वा? स्तोः ष्टु नाष्टु.
there is a rule that says padante टकारानन्तरं टवर्गः भवति चेत् सन्धि न भवति इति पदान्ते. परन्तु अत्र पदान्ते नास्ति, अपदान्ते. Okay, so
it is not a pad here. Okay. So there will be a sandhi here and then it will be takarasya takara bhavati.
Lavanya Bhagini, why did you say it is apadante?
Ekanimisham Bhagini, I'm trying to
a meaningful
find
word. Padam
it's not a meaningful.
Must be a meaningful.
So it's not a padam.
Page 35.
There is a, it is an apavada actually in Shtutva Sandhi.
अत्र ष्टुत्व सन्धि एव भवति वा?
Oh no, that's not an apavada. Yes, Shtutva Sandhi eva bhavati.
It is apavada. It says shat plus tarunaha. Shat tarunaha.
It remains like that only.
Where are you seeing?
Panchatrivinshat pute.
Yeah.
35.
No. That is not the one that is not this example.
No, but it is mentioned as padantat.
Yes. Only in that apavada will only work if it is padante. This is not a padante, it's apadante.
So then it will be
so your final answer
itte.
Ishte.
Double t.
Itte.
Lavanya Bhagini, so if it is shut, then you know it's a pada, you know the meaning. But when you have these words where you don't know the meaning, you don't know whether it is a pada or it's a pada, right? How would you?
See, Bhagini, to me it doesn't look like a word at all. Eat. If I mix eat and te, then it looks like a word. The te again is not a proper word. What are we trying to do with te? Eat. Takara ending, halanta ending word, I don't think this is a word. It is not appearing like, at least to our knowledge, it is not looking like a word. This will only, I think, come with practice, Bhagini. We can't just like that say every time. But sometimes it is very clear. Devaha agachanti is padante. Du upayogaha, I don't think this is a padante. This is like the upasarga, whatever it is, to upayoga. So it is not looking like a padam. So we have to do this again and again to get used to these kind of exercise, Bhagini.
What rule is this in Shtutva Sandhi also? Is there how does the ta become another ta? Or ta becomes ta? Is that right?
It becomes shakara, right?
No. Ta will not become shakara. Ta will become taddad vargiya savarna in takta varga it will become. This is Shtutva. So ta will become the first ta. If it is da, then it will become the third da.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The basic rule. The basic rule.
So the change happens in the second te pratyaya.
Yes. The eat is staying as eat. The takara is changing to the first letter of the ta varga.
Every time the adesh will be on the ta varga only.
Yes. Whichever order. It can be ta first, ta next. Whether it is in the first word or whether it is in the second word doesn't matter. But if it is between two words, like atra shat sandaha or shat tarunaha, shat is a proper word, tarunaha is a proper word, tarunaha is proper word. So there, between two words, the sandhi will not happen. It is an apavada. So shat tarunaha will stay as shat tarunaha.
So many rules.
Don't worry, Bhagini. We just have to see. Aham Sukanya Bhagini. Okay, I spoke with Sukanya Bagini about her exam, and she said they didn't ask tough questions. It was so easy. So she was saying all the memorizing was waste. So it's okay. We will get used to this. We are trying to memorize the
But
rules here.
right, that is what
I don't
sometimes
think
we know what the word, what will be the word. We can form the word, but we can't name it properly because we
Yes.
don't know the rules properly.
See, these things again, I don't know. Even I prepared this one, but I'm struggling when I'm trying to say. So we have to do it again and again to get used to it beginning. But we have got
Right.
plenty of time. So we are in fact a bit lucky. We have got plenty of time. We can practice it a lot. So so don't worry, huh?
When is the exam, by the way?
Definitely not in January beginning. Okay, it's going to be in June then. So we have almost 7-8 months time to do Shtutva again and again.
Yeah, we need
by
it.
the
Right,
time we come to the exam level, we'll be super
experts.
ready for it.
Ite request or ask for.
Yes, begging or a request. Eat dhatu. Okay, I can Astu. Astu. क्षम्यतां करोतु करोतु.
देवाः आगच्छन्ति. Definitely visarga sandhi. Visarga sandhi illa enna sandhi, I have no idea, but I think the visarga will go lopa. Deva agachanti.
आह परं स्वरः मृदुव्यञ्जनम् अस्ति चेत् लोपः भवति.
Okay. So visargasya lopaha, that is the thing?
आं भगिनि.
Oh, okay. Pare. Okay. अथवा मृदु व्यञ्जनानि लोपा भवति.
मृदु आम्. मम अवसरः वा? असुकृद् डोलति. दकारपरं डकार अस्ति. ष्टुत्वसन्धि. असकृद् डोलति. तृतीयवर्णः टवर्गस्य तृतीयवर्णः आदेशः भवति. असकृद् डोलति.
जष्ट्वा वा?
ष्टुत्व भगिनि, ष्टुत्व.
and right.
ष्टुत्व सन्धि.
आमां सत्यम्.
अस्तु. कस्य अवसरः? अखिला भगिनि.
हरिः चलति विसर्गसन्धि. हरिः विसर्गात् परं च प्रथमव्यञ्जनं कर्कशव्यञ्जनम् अस्ति, अतः सकारादेशः. हरिश्चलति.
अनन्तरं ष्टुत्वा अपि भवति.
तिष्ठतु.
हरिश्चलति.
अस्तु.
प्रथमं विसर्गस्य सकारादेशः, तदनन्तरं ष्टुत्वसन्धि.
ओके. हरिश्चलति विसर्गस्य सकारः. तदनन्तरं भगिनी किम् उक्तवती भगिनी?
सकारस्य सकार.
ओके. हरिश्चलति. अस्तु. कस्य अवसरः? मधुमती भगिनी.
So it is duhu plus upayogah visarga sandhi. I mean Duhu, I think, is upasarga, right? Or it's avyayani, if I'm right. Is it avyaya?
I'm not very sure, but yeah, it is not a proper word, is what I'm thinking.
So this will be dur upayogaha, repaha. Um, so it is actually
कुत्र अस्ति उहु परं
duhu plus ir plus upayogaha. So which is dur upayogaha. So that's why I'm thinking it is avyayani and duhu is avyaya there.
अव्यय सम्बन्धी विसर्गः वा
That's what I'm thinking.
द्वितीय
No,
नियमः
it's not necessary. अकारः अस्ति चेदेव अगीयसम्बन्धी विसर्गः भवितव्यम् इति. It is okay. आ इत्येतौ विना स्वराः.
So
प्रकार रेपादेशः एव.
Yeah, this is reading like that, no? I mean,
What you said is correct, Bani. दुरुपयोगः.
durupayogah.
उकारात् परं विसर्गः अस्ति, तदनन्तरं स्वरः.
So it is for a and it doesn't appear. It doesn't apply. It's for other.
So
It's
a
for
and
other
a,
swaraha.
if it is avyaya sambandhi or this rukaranta sambodhana sambandhi, then only this rule applies.
Correct. That's what
So
it says.
what is this duhu? This duhu, is it a word? What is this?
I think it's avyaya.
It is like we use su for good. Similarly,
like that.
we use
Negation,
do for
negative.
Upasarga.
So it is a upasarga, right?
It's a
It is an
upasarga.
upasarga. Astu. So dur upayogah, durupayogah.
Yeah.
Gunita akshara. अस्तु कस्य अवसरः पल्लवी भगिनी
यथा उचितं
Why did you say samyukta akshara?
No, I said gunita aksharam.
No, gunita akshara. Why did you say that? How?
Dur plus upayoga.
Ir plus u.
Plus u. Ru.
The halanta vyanjan.
The halanta will. So
that is called sanyukta.
Plus u. Oh, samyukta aksharam. Kshamedam bhagini. So ir plus u. Ru.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay, that's what I tried to say.
That is gunita aksharam eva.
Gunita.
Gunita aksharam eva.
Already I'm confused.
Repanantaram ukaraha gunita aksharam eva.
Okay, I said it right.
The connected ones, no?
See,
the
samyukta aksharam
two
vyanjanam. If it is vya, this is samyukta aksharam. Gunita aksharam is vyanjanam plus swara.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
अस्तु कस्य अवसर पल्लवी भगिन्या कस्य अवसर वदतु भगिनी
यथा उचितम् आपरे उ ओ यथोचितं गुणसन्धि
आपरे उ अस्तु भगिनी यथोचितम् अस्तु स्वप्ना भगिनी
एकनिमिषम् आक्रम्स्यते so I have no idea. Makara is
as soon as you see makara, what rule is it?
The last anunasika va?
Anuswara.
Anuswara. Why is anuswara?
So what is anuswaram?
Oh, anuswara. Okay.
Akramsyate.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Had there been in place of syate, if there had been what is that? Vargiya Vyanjanam, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 column, and ya lava, then it becomes Parasavarna Sandhi. Always after doing Anuswara Sandhi, the Parasavarna Sandhi will follow most places, but that depends on the next word. Here, Syate, it doesn't come. Whatever you have done is correct. But had it been one of the 4 column words, then we have to think about that one also.
No,
Don't
it
worry,
is
Bhagini.
apadanta,
It will.
apadante kalu.
Here it is. Oh,
Apadante,
where?
akramsyate is a word.
So which one should be apadante, you're saying?
No, this rule applies only to this anuswara sandhi rule applies to apadanta.
No, Bhagini. I'm saying. Okay, don't worry. Ignore my comment because I wanted to say this somewhere here we are done.
Yeah, both are coupled. This
Yeah,
anuswara
both.
sandhi will be
Yeah, that will also
followed by
happen following.
parasavarana sandhi.
Anyway, when we come to that, I've set another question somewhere, so that will come. Don't worry. Yeah, for now, answer is correct.
The next one is like that.
The next one. Next one. Bhagini. Yes. So I try to say like this: had anuswara followed by vargiya vyanjanam, then it will happen. Mama avasarah va? Astu. Mama avasarah. So when anuswara is followed by a vargiya vyanjanam or ya, va, la, the parasavarna sandhi will happen. So what happens is paravarnasya savarnaha adeshah bhavati anuswarasya sthane. So sankalpa iti bhavati. Sankalpaha iti. अत्रापि पदान्ते कस्य अवसर अखिल भगिनी
तम् इति उपसर्गः खलु
या सो अपदान्ते खलु
उपसर्ग is considered as a word, right?
भगिनी
we saw that somewhere upasarga has to be considered as a word. I don't remember where we saw.
Finding the place is the difficult part, Bhagini. I'm trying to say.
See, I don't think the footnote somewhere, but I don't remember where it is now.
See, I was thinking upasarga plus something is like, it is not like proper words. It's not padante. It is the other way around.
In page number 41, if you see, upasargah sarvepi subandhah asya atah tasya padatvam.
Oh. See, where is the star?
Yeah, 41 footnote.
Oh, sampruktav atra. Astu Bhagini. It is considered padam. Astu. Padante.
So atra
Anyway, this
vikalpena eva bhavishyati.
Parasavarna. What did I do? Padante vikalpena bhavati.
Every session I come to know something new.
आं भगिनी संकल्पः इति अपि साधु वा
बट उच्चारण समये संकल्पः इति एव वक्तव्यम्
अस्तु
I think this one Uma Bhagini was also telling in class. This one we have even studied in Pravesha also without even knowing the name.
Okay, अस्तु भगिनी संकल्पः can be संकल्पः or संकल्पः अस्तु धन्यवादः भगिनी भवत्याः अवसरे एव
प्रत्यय
सम्यक् न श्रूयते भगिनी पुनरेकवारं
इदानीं श्रूयते वा
आम्
पयान् अपदान्ते भविष्यति इति मन्ये बिकास् सी इस् अ प्रत्यय सो इट् इस् अ अनुस्वार सन्धि पदान्ते अपदान्ते नकारः फॉलोड बाय वर्गीय व्यञ्जनम् और श स अस्ति चेत् नकारः अनुस्वारः भवति अतः पयान्सि.
This is the rule that is in anuswara, the same rule Bhagini. Swapna Bhagini, you said we are very used to only makaraha in anuswara sandhi, but there is one more rule for nakaraha also. This is that rule there for anuswara sandhi. Payamsi. अस्तु उत्तमं भगिनि Madhumanti Bhagini?
Yeah. So I was just trying to figure out. Ut plus thanam
Mm.
is ut plus. I think it is ut plus is. Uh, uh, that reverse of jashtva sandhi. Ut plus is.
Reverse of what, Sandhi Bhagini?
Jashtva. Id becomes it.
No. Dhatu.
Upasarga.
So this is a combination of upasarga plus dhatu. So there is a rule in Purva Savarna Sandhi.
Purva Savarna. Okay.
Savarna Sandhi.
Page number 44.
So I kind of, the word itself is there. Okay.
The Purva Savarna Sandhi,
okay.
Sthanam and Stambam. These two words, when joined with Ut, they will always, the Sakarasya Sthane Takaraha Bhavati. So Ut plus
It plus
It plus Sthanam. Tadanantaram, there is some other rule where it also gets lopaha. That I think vikalpena takara lopaha api bhavati. So ut
okay.
thanam.
So you don't have to put two as there. It
You
just
don't
becomes
have to. You don't have to, but vikalpena. So if I say like that, ut thanam. This is also sadhu. One of the takaras will get lopaha. That is also sadhu. Purva Savarna Sandhi. There are only two words given for this combination. Utsthanam or Utstambam. As soon as you see Utsthanam, Utstambam, remember Purva Savarna Sandhi. There should be one Sakarasya Sthane Thakaraha Adesha Bhavati. Okay?
So there are other examples.
Rule.
Other examples also given, no?
No. What I tried to say was sta or stamb.
Okay,
not
sta
sthanam literally. Yeah, sta or stamb.
Stamb dhatu. Okay.
Okay. So utstatavyam, utstatum, utstambitaha, sta or stamb. If they come after ut, then there will be one more takaraha. Okay.
So
Sakara is sthana takara. It's a special rule. Okay. So something to be remembered. Astu, Pallavi Bhagini. Pallavi Bhagini अस्ति वा?
आम् आम् हत्वा एतान्. Oh, again.
Oh, you're getting sorry, Bhagini.
हत्वैतान्. आम् आम् हत्वैतान् वृद्धिसन्धि.
अस्तु उत्तमम्.
Ladau, right? Ladau.
Ab hradau, hradau.
Ab hradau. Ab hradau.
As soon as you see hakara in the next word.
So apradau. Jashtva. No.
Why jashtva? Because jashtva. See, hakara is a mridu vyanjanam. Wait. Hakara is a mridu vyanjanam. Okay. So if you say jashtva, it should turn into the third letter kalu. But ib is already a third letter, so it is not the correct rule then. So if you say chartva, it is not a karkasha vyanjanam. Hakara is a mridu vyanjanam. So chartva or jashtva will not apply. But as soon as you see hakara, immediately you can think about purva savarna sandhi.
Purva savarna sandhi. Oh.
Hmm? So what happens is hakarasya sthane chaturtha varnaha adesha bhavati. So if it is ab, pa vargasya chaturtha varnaha. So it is ab, bha, abhra, dau. Abhradau. But it is an optional sandhi. Vikalpena eva bhavati. So abhradau is also fine. Okay. And it is astu. Kimapi prashna अस्ति वा? Avagachati va bhagini? As soon as you see hakaraha, think about purva savarna sandhi. Fourth varna adesha bhavati. Hakarasya sthane. Vipad kalaha. Kasyaha avasaraha? Mama avasaraha va? Mama avasaraha. Kim bhagini?
Shruyate va?
Shruyate bhagini.
There should be space or no space?
I also get
This
confused
space
about that.
is confusing a lot.
Yes, I also. But whenever we do vikalpena, we can do the sandhi or we need not do the sandhi. So I'm thinking we can leave it in a space. But sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I've noticed it has been like this. Abhradau. Okay. So I don't know. Pallavi Bhagini, do you know anything about the space here when it is an optional one? Pallavi Bhagini? So we will come back to that. I will continue. Vipad kalaha. Dakara param ka chartva sandhi. Karkasha vyanjanam asti. Ataha vipad kalaha. Akila Bhagini?
So tat plus linaha. Takara followed by lakara. I think it is a sub rule of parasavarna sandhi. Varga followed by lakara will get lakara. So
if you say it very quickly, you will get the answer.
Tallinaha. Yeah, getting the name is the toughest thing. Tallinaha. Parasavarna sandhi.
Parasavarna sandhi. Okay.
Akila Bhagini, can you tell me the difference between Purva Savarna Sandhihi and Parasavarna Sandhihi?
Parasavarna sandhi.
Bhagini, we are not hearing you. Akila Bhagini? Na shruyate.
Idanim shruyate va?
Samyak na shruyate, Bhagini.
Bhagini, you explain.
Okay, astu. Parasavarna sandhi, when an anuswara, I'll say it in English, it's easier. Anuswara, when an anuswara is followed by a vargiya vyanjanam or ya, va, la, parasavarna sandhi will happen. Vargiya vyanjanam is 1, 2, 3, 4 column. It can be anything. Or ya, va, la. And an anuswara followed by. So here example, see, when anuswara is followed by a vargiya vyanjanam, ka is in the first column. So that time parasavarna sandhi will happen. Parasavarna sandhi is paravarnasya savarnaha adesha bhavati. Which is the paravarnaha? Ka is the paravarnaha, the one that comes after. So ka varnasya sa varnaha adesha bhavati. So the fifth letter of the ka vargaha adesha bhavati. That is why it's called para savarna sandhi. Okay, when ya va la comes, it becomes a chandra bindu will come. So in the book there is a special word. So in para savarna sandhi, so when anuswara is followed by a vargiya vyanjanam or yavala vikalpena, see, it is called sam plus yamaha will be sanyamaha. There will be one yakara with anuswara, sanyamaha iti vikalpena bhavati or samyamaha. When it is, I'll just tell the
No,
full
so
rule.
in this word, it was tat, right? There was no...
1 minute. If it is between two words, parasavarna sandhi is a nitya sandhi. Here some upasarga is taken as a word. Okay, so when it is happening between two words, nityam it has to, okay, not sorry, upasarga it is there. Forget upasarga, but there should be one other word somewhere. Sorry, I'm scrolling to find some other word if I had used. Anyway, if it is between two words, then it is a nitya sandhi, parasavarna sandhi. But if it is between one word, then vikalpena bhavitum arhati. Okay.
This sum is also a two-word, Bhagini.
Yeah,
Sum
but
plus,
see, if we take that as two words, in the book they have given vikalpena anuswara, vikalpena bhavati. Sanyamaha, it can be sanyamaha or samyamaha. Okay. So I'm still a bit confused about this upasarga taken as a word. Bhagini, upasarga is taken as a word, Bhagini. So if it is between two words, it is optional.
tadeva uktavati. So
Yeah,
sum is
so here
upasarga.
it is correct. What we have done, see, this is a word, this is a word. Optionally, we have two options for
Yeah.
parasavarna sandhi.
Yeah.
But if it is between one word,
Yeah.
like ankitaha, plus kitaha, ankitaha, that
Then it is
is not,
nityam.
it is nityam. Within one word, it is nityam, the rule. Okay. So always paravarnasya savarnaha adeshaha bhavati. When anuswara is followed by vargiya vyanjanam, that is parasavarna sandhi. Purva savarna sandhi rule is when vargiya vyanjanam is followed by hakara. Okay. Anuswara followed by vargiya vyanjanam is parasavarna sandhi. Vargiya vyanjanam followed by hakara is purva savarna sandhi. So purva savarna is purva varnasya savarnaha. As in here. Vargiya vyanjanam followed by hakaraha purva varnasya chaturtha savarnaha adeshaha bhavati. Hakarasya sthane. So ab bradau iti. Etat api vikalpena bhavati.
This one is a special rule. Talt plus linaha. It is a sub rule.
So many rules. Even while saying, I'm getting confused. Yes.
It will be like this only, Bhagini. If we
Yes, it
practice
will be
like
like
this
this
for
only.
6 months, we will master it.
True. Bagini. 6 months we will break our heads and at the end we will be fine. So, I don't know if I made it clear to you, Madhumati Bagini, but as we go ahead, we will be fine. Kshamedam.
No, I was just trying to at least differentiate, if not get it internalized. I just wanted to differentiate.
Whenever there is hakara, it is purva savarna sandhi. Purva varnasya fourth varnaha adesha bhavati.
No, but
The
what
other
happens
rule
to
is,
tat plus linaha? There is no akara.
that is parasavarna sandhi.
Okay.
Okay, that is a different sandhi
No, but
altogether.
tat is not anuswara, na?
It is a special rule of parasavarna sandhi. That's what we are
Okay.
saying. This is the second. There are two rules in parasavarna sandhi. One is the anuswara followed by vargiya vyanjanam. The second one is tatta dadda followed by lakaraha.
Lakara.
Ta varga not ta varga really. Tatta dadda. Na is not included. Oh, na is also
Na is
included.
included means it
Na is
becomes
also included, but I don't know why they
anuspara
have.
yukta anunasika lakara.
There is one more subroot with them.
So the takara followed by lakara means if it is the, then it will be a plain lakara. If it is nakara the padante, then it will become a anuswara yukta lakara. La.
I will try to bring in more questions in this, okay? To remember. That is all we can do. Astu. Agrimam. Kasya avasarah? Amna janami.
Madhumati Bhagini.
Sorry, yeah. It's
Madhumati Bhagini avasarah.
Mune, yeah. Mune plus ye. It is mun plus ye plus ye. This I know. Yanta vanta deshasam. So a becomes I. So mun plus a plus a becomes mun plus I plus a. So
I
it becomes
as in I.
I, and then followed by ya. I. So it is munaye.
Munaye.
Yeah.
Uttamam Bhagini. Astu. Kasya avasarah?
Pallavi
This is see, Madhumati Bhagini, Kshamyatam. This is Munaye is apadante. It is between a word. It is not at the end of a word. Okay? It is not padante. Apadante. Hey, sorry, did I write it correctly?
Yeah, you said
Apadante.
padante.
Apadante. Pallavi Bhagini.
अधः मुखं विसर्गस्य पूर्वम् अकार अस्ति अनन्तरं मृदुव्यञ्जनम् अस्ति तर्हि विसर्गस्य उकार भवति अनन्तरं गुण भूत्वा अधो मुखम्
Uttamam. So what happens is adaha, ad plus aha plus mridu vyanjanam asti. So tatra akara param mridu vyanjanam asti chet visarga will become u. Visargasya sthane ukara adesha bhavati. So ad plus a plus u plus mukam iti. Tadanantaram a plus u combination will become o. Gunaha. So ad plus o plus mukam iti bhavati. Kimatam etat dictionary. O plus mukam adho mukam iti bhavati. Visargasya ukaradesha. We need not explain every single step. Okay. As soon as you see akara param mridu vyanjanam adho mukam iti bhavati. But there are two steps there. There are two sandhis happening there. Visargasya ukara adesha guna. Okay. Suppose if it is a swaraha, then purva rupa sandhi api bhavati. There is one more sandhi that will happen if instead of mridu vyanjanam, if it is achvarnaha, akara vina achvarnaha, then purva varna, that avagraha chinnam also bhavati. Third sandhi also happens there. Okay.
It is a only, no?
Or did I say it the other way around, Bhagini? I thought purva. You're right. Whenever a comes in, akara pare. Sorry, atava. The rule itself is a or mridu vyanjanam. Instead of mridu vyanjanam, had there been a hraswa akara, purva varna sandhi also happens. The third sandhi in this rule. Okay. Kasya avasarah punah.
Mama avasarah.
Adattu Bhagini.
So vargiya vyanjanani ta sat achara swara asti a. So jashtva sandhiya sad
उत्तमम् उत्तरं किं भगिनि
सदाचार
उत्तमं सदाचारः मम हसरः खलु अस्तु सत् चरित्रं तकार अस्तु जष्ट्वं भूत्वा फस्ट् जष्ट्व सन्धि जष्ट्वं भूत्वा सद् प्लस् चरित्रं तदनन्तरं सच्
is कर्कशव्यञ्जनं खलु
what is oh sorry oh yes
so
no see the other day I was saying this rule in jashtva sandhi we need not bother about the following words first letter at all. Okay, there are two ways to do this. One is jashtva
what
as
you
per
said
the
is correct with me. If there is no word, then we need not worry at all. But if a word starts with a karkashavyanjanam, then it should be chartva sandhi.
No bagini, even if it is a karkasha vyanjanam, there is something somewhere. We can still go ahead with jashtvam.
no
See, listen. Page number 33, the Vishesha rule in the box. Sat plus chit will become sad plus chit, jashtvam bhutva. Even though chakara is the following letter, it is nothing to do with jashtvam will still happen. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Page 33, the one in the box, sat plus chit is the word. The first change that is happening is sad plus chit, jashtvam bhutva. Tadanantaram, what was happening? Sajj plus chit, Sajj plus charit. Here, atra tu kshamyatam.
So once again, at the end, it is becoming chartva sandhi, I think.
Yes. This can be done in one step. As sat plus charitram can become satcharitram directly using shchutva sandhi. Or the shastriya kramaha is three steps here. Sajj plus charitram, tadanantaram, it's not letting me, charitram, which is
shchutva sandhi.
No.
Shchutvam.
Shchutva sandhi, tadanantaram chartva sandhi.
This step is little confusing. Why to go roundabout?
See, that is why in the box they had said we need not follow this shastriya kramaha. For exam or adyatana kale, we need not follow this. We can go directly to satcharitram as a one step, ignoring the first two steps.
So this is a new one for me, Bagini. I thought that if a word is beginning with cha, then it should follow chartvam only.
Bagini. But yeah, this is the shastriya kramaha. So actually, when something like this, when we started learning, I was asking Sukanya Bagini to explain it again, and she was saying, why Sukanya Bagini? Because she's doing her diploma. She learns extra, so she might give me extra tips. So she was telling that and I was also going and checking at the Jashtva Sandhi's actual sutram. What is the sutram?
Jalan Jashante.
Yeah, Jalan Jashed. So if you go into the Ashtadhyayi website to read about the sutram, they have only said the what is this? Vargiya Vyanjanam will become the Tritiya Vyanjanam. We need not bother about what follows at all. Whether it is there or not there, no. The Takara will become Dakara as per Jashtvam. Okay. So the Chartvam is more clearer, but again, here Chakara Karkasha Vyanjanam is following, but we are still doing Jashtvam. So there should be something more than what we understand, Bagini. This is as per the Shastriya Krama, this way it goes.
Yeah,
or we
but
can,
then in both the cases we are getting at the end we are getting Chartva Sandhi, right?
yes,
If
yes.
we go according to Shastra. But then I faced a problem with the word Tat Tika. Okay. Now here if we go for Jashtva, it becomes Tad Tika. And then Dakarasya Jakara, that is
No. Wait. Tika, you said,
um
as in tika,
Pratama tika.
pratama,
huh,
no tika.
Then you have to go with the, right?
Yeah, we have to go with the, right?
Tat the dha
Tad
Tat
plus tika will become taddika. Tad
Tad
plus,
Tika.
mm,
And that is because of Shtutva, right? And
um.
then it will become
Then,
Tattika with Chartva.
yes, tattika. So your answer is correct, right?
So answer is Tattika, and according to the rules, we are going and it becomes Chartva at the end. But
Oh, yes, Bhagini.
so with the
Mm.
direct rule, it becomes Shtutva.
So if we do it directly, then it is chutva here. If we do it the other way around, the last rule is chartva. Similarly, in your case, shtutva would be direct one, and the other way around would be chartva would be the last option. But yes, Bhagini, see, yeah, after
Both
all,
are right.
per,
Like what
we are
I
more
write.
bothered about, we are getting into the correct answer. And again, we are good to do it this way or do a direct one as well. So we are given two options to do it. So as per our wish.
So either even if I write Chartva,
You even if you write it in one word answer also, I think you will get the mark there. Or like this and say Shastriya Kramaha, then that also will work, I think. Astu. Astu. Kasyaः मम अवसरः no अस्तु
Yes, it's yours.
स्थगयामः वा अत्र no अहमेव कृतवती खलु एतत्तु
Yeah.
अस्तु अत्र सन्धिं स्थगयामः वा किञ्चित् शानच् प्रत्ययस्य अभ्यासं करिष्यामः वा अस्तु प्रयोगविस्तरपुस्तकात् सङ्ख्यापुटः 99 भवत्याः समीपे पुस्तकमस्ति खलु भगिनी पल्लवी भगिनी अखिला भगिनी
अस्ति भगिनि
पल्लवी भगिनी पठति वा
99
कर्मशानच्
कर्मविशेषणत्वेन देवं वन्दमानः भक्तः नामस्मरणं करोति इत्यत्र वन्दमानः इति पदं शानजन्तम् अत्र कर्तरि शानच् आत्मनेपदीभ्यः वर्तमानार्थे शानच् प्रत्ययः विहितः that is vihita is included,
so
right?
whenever atmanepadi dhatu comes we will be using vartamana shanash pratyaya vihita is the yeah I think so bagini yeah
शानजन्तरूपविषये वयं जानीमः इत्यतः स च अंशः नात्र विव्रियते शिष्यैः वन्द्यमानः इत्येतत् अपि शानजन्तमेव किन्तु अत्र शानच् कर्मणि शिष्यैः वन्दमानः कर्तरि विहितः शानच् कर्तुः विशेषणं भवति कर्मणि विहितः शानच् कर्मणः विशेषणं भवति विषयस्पष्टतार्थं कानिचन उदाहरणानि यथा वयं कृतवन्तः
aham na janami bagini but so far did everyone understand the rules
we can do it again, it's okay.
okay so shatra will apply when the dhatu is parasmaipadi dhatu when atmanepadi comes shanach will come in both the forms just like pattu dhatu even though it is a parasmaipadi dhatu there is a karmani form to patyate iti kala khalu tataiva vand dhatu atmanepadi dhatu tatra api vandyate iti कर्मणि रूपमस्ति अतः द्वयोः No. Yeah. द्वयोः प्रयोगयोः अपि कर्मणि रूपं भवितुम् अर्हति. Both आत्मनेपदी and परस्मैपदी will have a karmani form. So there is kartari shatra, karmani shanach for parasmaipadi. For atmanepadi rupam, kartari shanach, karmani shanach.
Avgatam.
Is it clear till here?
No, please repeat it. No.
Astu. Let's take pat dhatu. So pat dhatu has got both kartari form and karmani form. Okay. Pat dhatu is a parasmaipadi dhatu. So in kartari form, it can only have shatra. So kartari shatra. In karmani form, karmani shanach. Okay. The parasmaipadi dhatu. Now,
Just
atmanepadi.
Ekanimish. So pathati will become pathan. Pathyate will become pathyamana bhava.
Uttamam. Yes. So that is kartari shatra, karmani shanach for parasmaipadi. Atmanepadi, vandu dhatu. Vandu dhatu is atmanepadi. Ataha, it has to be shanach only. It will not take shatra form at all. So, atmanepadi कर्तरि मध्ये अपि शानचेव. आत्मनेपदी धातु इत्युक्ते शानचेव. So vandya, so the atmanepadi roopam would be vandate, karmani roopam would be vandyate. So vandamanah, vandyamanah. Kartari shanach, karmani shanach. Atmanepadi will only go with shanach. It can only have two forms, kartari shanach, karmani shanach. Prasmaipadi will have kartari shatra, karmani shanach. The karmani shanach is common to both. If it is a ubhayapadi dhatu, then it will have everything.
Ekanimish. Madhumati ji, look at it this way. So we're taking pat and vand, okay? So pat will become pathan, shatra shanach. So pathyamana will become shanach.
Patyate will become patyamanah.
Patyate will become patyamana, right? Because it is parasmay dhatu. Okay. Vand in kartari form will become vandamana. It will not
Because
be vanda.
vandate will become vandamanah. Okay. There is no shatra form at all.
And then in karmani, vandyate will become vandyamana. Vandyamana, right?
Vandyamanah, vandyamanah, vandyamana, vandyamanam. In all three lingam. Astu va? So we will continue reading this. It will become more clearer. Okay. Swapna Bhagini, bhavati patati va? भवती म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति.
कर्ता कर्म क्रिया वा कर्तरी वाक्यं कर्तरी शानच कर्मणि शानच. भक्तः देवं वन्दते. देवं वन्दमानः भक्तः कर्तरी शानच. Devam.
To remember, as soon as you see the word kartari, the shanach rupam should be a visheshanam to the kartrupadam. As soon as you see the word karmani shanach, the shanachanda rupam will be a visheshanam to the karma padam. Okay, that we have to remember always. Okay, kartari ityukte visheshanam to kartru, karmani ityukte visheshanam to karma padam. So if you use the vand dhatu as a visheshana form, then it has to go to bhaktaha only, not to the under the kartari. Yeah. So devam vandamanah bhaktaha, the bhakta who is the bhakta who is praying to the god. So it's kartari form. In karmani it will be bhaktaihi vandyamanah devaha, the god that was worshipped by the bhaktas. Okay. Is that clear? Okay.
Am Bhagini.
द्वौ वाक्यं वाक्ये पठतु भगिनि. द्वे वाक्ये पठतु.
Okay. अस्तु सेवकः स्वामिनं सेवेते
सेवते
सेवते sorry स्वामिनं सेवमानः सेवकः सेवकेन सेव्यमानः स्वामी
अवगच्छति खलु मधुमती भगिनी भवती पठतु
So भिक्षुकः धनिकं याचते धनिकं याचमानः भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकेन याच्यमानः धनिकः
अग्रिममपि पठतु भगिनि
बालिका फलं भुङ्क्ते फलं भुञ्जाना बालिका बालिकया भुज्यमानं phalam, the fruit that was eaten by the girl, right? Balikaya
कर्मणि मध्ये बालिकया भुज्यमानं फलं, the fruit that was eaten by the girl. There we are talking about the fruit, but in Kartari मध्ये we are talking about the girl. So the girl who was eating the fruit is different from the fruit that was eaten by the girl.
Got it.
अस्तु अखिला भगिनी भवती पठतु भगिनि
वणिक् वस्तूनि विक्रीणीते वस्तूनि विक्रीणानः वणिक् इति कर्तरि शानच् वणिजा विक्रियमाणानि वस्तूनि इति कर्मणि शानच् कर्मकरः कार्यं कुरुते कार्यं कुर्वाणः कर्मकरः कर्तरि शानच् मध्ये कर्मणि शानच् मध्ये कर्मकरेण क्रियमाणं कार्यम्
छात्राः व्याकरणम् अधीते क्षम्यतां भगिनि किं भगिनि पल्लवी भगिनि
डौट् अस्ति
वदतु भगिनि
बालिकया भुज्यमानं फलं भुञ्जानं फलं किमर्थं नास्ति
एकनिमिषम् अहम् अष्टाध्यायी मध्ये I want to show the
we discussed this probably at that time also, but still I forgot. Both forms are there or something like that.
No, it is only in the Atmanepada Rupam and Karmani Rupam that is different.
Bunjana is Pratama Ekavachanam, Bujyamanam is Dvivachanam, right? The Bhuj Dhatu.
Bunjanam, bunjanani.
Palam asti kalu, palam, Napunsakalinga.
Napunsakalinga asti, so bunjanam na bhavitva.
See, in Kartari Madhye, the Atmane Pada Rupam, in Kartari Madhye, the Dvivachana Rupam, Bunjate iti asti. So, there we have to use the bun. So, if it is ate, then we have to say anaha. That rule, do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. If in Dvivachane, if it ends with ate, then we have to use the ending anaha. Anaha to the plural form. So, it is bunjanaha. Bunjanaha, bunjana, bunjanam.
Okay, bunjanam, right? For the
we are talking, atra it is a visheshanam to balika, strilinge. So, bunjana balika, phalam bunjana balika. Is that clear? Now, if we go into the karmani rupam, so karmani rupam is bujya, bujyate, bujyete, bujyante. So, bujyamanam phalam.
Oh. But how will I remember this? That I'll have to go to the Karmani.
Bhagini, it is there in Stemmer. Stemmer list is listing everything.
What is listed, Bhagini? You mean
no, this forms and all, they are in Stemmer.
Astu.
You share that once. I don't know
Yeah,
about
can you
this.
share it, Bhagini? Rather than me searching and sharing, if you can.
You mentioned it previously also, but I did not stemmer is what.
No, we did some exercises on this, isn't it? But I forgot.
Okay, what do I
The
type?
bung dhatu, the bhuj dhatu. Bhuj dhatu ganaha saptagan. Yeah, it is 7. भवती म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति भगिनी, अखिला भगिनी.
क्षम्यतां so this is shanach, so bhujyamana bhujyamane bhujyamanaha, this is karmani shanach. So if you see
Strilinga.
here shanach karmani bhujyamanaha bhujyamanau bhujyamanaha, atra female if strilinge bhujyamana bhujyamane bhujyamanaha and navumsakalingam. So bhujyamana bhujyamane bhujyamanani bhujyamanam bhujyamane bhujyamanani.
Okay, so the first step I need to do is I need to go for the karmani prayog and then go for the pratyay. Shanach.
When you're doing karmani shanach, change it to karmani lat and then karmani shanach. That's easiest.
Okay.
Okay? Lat form
Bhagini,
if you
one more thing, you were telling about the eat, no? अत्र पश्यतु, दृश्यते वा?
आम्, दृश्यते.
अत्र पश्यतु, ईड् प्लस् ते वा?
No, that was it adikate.
Eat plus te.
So ईड् प्लस् ते, it is listing as shtuna shtupu, shtutva sandhi tadanantaram kari, chatva sandhi.
I took the dhatu eed, but
the dhatu is eed.
Yeah. So there it became dakara by jashtvam va. So eed. First it becomes eed and then it becomes eed plus te.
It becomes shtutva sandhi tadanantaram chatva sandhi.
No, my question was eat plus te. The takara became dakara by jashtvam and then after jashtvam shtutvam bhutva.
No, from the beginning itself it is eed only, no?
No, I think I gave eat.
That is why I am asking. Dhatu is eed. Dhatu is eed. The Aupadeshika Rupam is eed. So there are many steps happening. Everywhere there is dakara only, third dakara only.
Astu Bhagini. Kshamitam, I will change it. So it has to be eed plus te.
Tritiya. What do you call it?
Tritiya Vyanjanam. Tritiya Varnaha. Shtutvam eva kalu.
Shtutvam bhavati tadanantaram chartvam api bhavati. The final answer is correct. Final answer is eat te only. I think that was the answer, right?
Astu Bhagini. Dhanyavada Bhagini.
So if you see the prakriya here, it is listing.
Yes. If we click on one of these words on the left, it lists how it became. Yes, I saw that too in Ashtadhyayi. Astu. Agrime. Chatraha vyakaranam adhite. Vyakaranam adhiyanaha chatraha. Chatraihi adhiyamanam vyakaranam. Oh, adite is adi. Ekanamisham. एकनिमिषम् अधीते कर्मणि रूपम् अधीयते अधीयेते अधीयन्ते खलु कर्तरि रूपम् अस्ति अधीते अधीयाते अधीयते शेर् करिष्यामि अधीते अधीयाते अधीयते द्विवचने आते इति अस्ति आते इत्युक्ते आनः इति आगच्छति खलु
right?
Oh my god, I confused this thing. आते इत्युक्ते मानः खलु अधीयमानः
No, ete man. Ete, there is mana. Ate is ana.
एते इस् मानः अस्तु एते मानः आते जानः अस्तु एते मानः आते आनः अतः अधीयानः अधीयानाः छात्राः कर्मणि मध्ये तु छात्रैः अधीयमानं व्याकरणम्
Show the karmani rupa for this. Adite. Sorry.
No. अधीयते अधीयेते अधीयन्ते एतत्तु नार्मल् रूपमेव नार्मल् रूपाणि
These are adhiyate, adhiyete and
adhiyante. It is only the atmanepada roopam we are all confused about. Adhite, adhiyate, adhiyate. So the kartari shanach would be the difficult one for us. The karmani shanach would be easy. Astu. Aham suhrudam prartaye. Suhrudam प्रार्थ्यमानः अहं मया प्रार्थ्यमानः सुहृद सुहृत् इस् पुल्लिङ्ग अतः प्रार्थ्यमानः सुहृत् किं भगिनि
अधीयानाः how did it become adhiyanaha
the kartari shanach form would be adhiyanaha adhiyana adhiyanam is that clear how we got yanaha instead of manaha
yeah that's what I'm saying I didn't get it how did we get
okay so you didn't get that yeah okay so the e dhatu is e kartari atmanepada roopam is adhite adhiyate adhiyate these are the roopani we have to look at the lat lakare pratama dvivachane if it ends with ate then we have to add anah to the shanach form so adhiyanah adhiyana adhiyanam these are the three linge adhiyanah adhiyana adhiyanam if it is ete then it will become manah like here if it is ete it will become manah in कर्तरि मध्ये अधीयाते इति द्विवचने अस्ति खलु अतः अधीयानः अधीयाना अधीयानम् इति भवति अत्र छात्राः इति अस्ति अतः अधीयानाः छात्राः इति भवति कर्मणि मध्ये लट् लकारे अधीयते अधीयेते अधीयन्ते एव अतः अधीयमानः अधीयमाना अधीयमानम् इति भवति अत्र व्याकरणम् इति नपुंसकलिङ्गपदम् अतः अधीयमानं व्याकरणम् नो प्राब्लम् भगिनि उपर्युक्तेषु उदाहरणेषु कर्तरि आत्मनेपदिनः एव धातवः प्रयुक्ताः किन्तु कर्तरि ये आत्मनेपदिनः भवेयुः तेषामेव कर्मणि शानच् इति न मन्तव्यम् कर्तरि ये परस्मैपदिनः स्युः ते अपि कर्मणि शानचं प्राप्तुम् अर्हन्ति द्वित्राणि उदाहरणानि यथा so they are trying to say karmani shanach will happen to both atmanepadi and parasmaipadi okay there is a karmani shanach form which is common to both कर्तरि मध्ये बालः ग्रन्थं पठति कर्मणि मध्ये बालेन ग्रन्थः पठ्यते कर्मणि शानच् बालेन पठ्यमानः ग्रन्थः तथैव शुकेन खाद्यमानं फलं जनैः क्रियमाणानि कार्याणि नारीभिः क्रियमाणाः शाटिकाः. This is all sarala form. Karmani Shanach is an easy form. We try to convert it to the lat form of Karmani and then you will get the forms. That is an easy one. यथा कर्मणि विहितः त प्रत्ययः कर्मणः एव विशेषणं भवति न तु कर्तृः तथैव कर्मणि विहितः शानच् प्रत्ययः अपि कर्मणः एव विशेषणं भवति न कदापि कर्तुः इति तु स्मर्तव्यम्. Always in karmani form shanach pratyaya will become a visheshanam only to the karma padam, never to the kartru. Okay, in kartari madhye only visheshanam to the kartru padam. Okay, that we have to remember. Now let's do some exercises.
Bagini, Sandhi is very easy.
Bagini. That is why I took this. No, Bagini, this is also easy. I think we are only struggling with the Atmanepada Rupam. The Manaha, Anaha is the most difficult to derive to. Then we are fine. Astu, Abhyasah 105. Adaha Dattanam Ladantanam Karmani Rupam Vilikya Karma Shanajantam Rupam Api Likata. Udaharanam Vandate Karmani Madhye Vandyate Karma Shanach Madhye Vandyamanaha. So there are 20. Shall we each do 5 of us here? Shall we each do 4? Akila Bagini Bhavati Aramam Karotu.
Astu Bagini. Sevate Karmani Madhye Sevyate Karmani Shanach Madhye Sevyamanaha. Sevamanaha Sevyamanaha. Kartari Shanach Sevamanaha. Karmani Shanach Sevyamanaha.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Bagini. Astu. We will also do the Kartari Shanach here. Add it, okay? Sevamanaha, Sevyamanaha.
Chinute. Correct, Bagini. First of all, I am not knowing the Karmani Rupam also.
Yes. The Chi Dhatu iti aham chintayami.
Chiyateva.
No, Chiyate is in Karmani Rupam. But I want the Kartari Rupam. The Atmanepada Rupam.
Chiyamanaha.
Chinute, Chinvate, Chinvate iti aham chintayami. I don't know.
Chinvanaha.
Chinvanaha. Astu. Chinute, Chinvate, Chinvate iti Atmanepada Rupam. Ataha Ate ityukte Anaha. So Chinvanaha, Chinvana, Chinvanam. Iti Kartari Shanach. Karmani madhye Chiyate, Chiyete, Chiyante. Ataha Chiyamanaha. Chiyamana, Chiyamanam. Avagachati va? Swapna Bagini?
Yeah, avagachami kintu upari gachati.
No, see, none of us did anything on Atmanepadi exercise. So it is difficult for all of us. So we will get to it. So it is Karmani Rupam is Chiyate and tell me both the Shanach Rupam Bagini.
Chinute, Karmani Rupam is Chiyate. Kartari Shanach is
Chinvate.
Chinvanaha. This is Chiyamanaha. Karmani Shanach is Chiyamanaha. Sahate. Karmani Rupam is Sahyate. So the Kartari Shanach is Sahamanaha. Karmani Shanach is Sahyamanaha.
Sahate, Sahete, Sahante va. Atmanepada Rupani.
Sahyate kalu?
No, that is in Karmani. Atmanepada Rupam.
Sahate.
Like Vandu Dhatu.
Sahamanaha.
So Sahamanaha, Sahyamanaha. This is easy.
Ikshate, Karmani Rupam will be Ikshyate. So Kartari Shanach will be Ikshamanaha. Ikshate, Ikshete. So Ikshamanaha. Karmani Shanach will be Ikshyamanaha.
Tatra Manaha Natvam Bhavati.
Oh, Manaha. Astu.
See, in all these forms, this Natvam is playing a very important role. Okay, so be very careful with the last Manaha. The Manaha will, several places it is becoming Natvam if there is, if it is applicable. Okay, so Ikshyamanaha, Ikshamanaha, Ikshyamanaha. कस्य अवसरः मधुमती भगिनी
I will run now. Okay.
प्रयत्नं करोतु भगिनी we are all making mistakes.
Shankte,
शङ्कते
Shankate, Shankyate in Karmani, Shankamanaha in Kartari.
शङ्कमानः उत्तमं
and
शङ्कमानः
Shankyamanaha
कर्मणि
in Karmani.
उत्तमं भगिनी
Then Krinite, Krinyate. Is it Krinyate?
No, क्रीणीते first tell the कर्मणि रूपं क्रियते
Kriyate. Okay. So Kri dhatu. Okay. Kriyate. So Kriyamanaha is Karmani Shanach. Kartari will be Krimana. No, Kri. It is Krite. What is the Kartari? Kartari is what?
See, the Atmanepada Rupani are Krinite, Krinate, Krinate. So the Dvivachane Ate Asti, so it will become Anaha. So Krinanaha. Krinanaha, Krinana,
Naha is it? Krinanaha. Krinanaha is Kartari. Yeah, Kri, the long one.
Dirgha.
So Krinanaha is Kartari.
Kartari Shanach.
Kriyate is Karmani. Shanach. And
Kriyamanaha is
Kriyamanaha is
Karmani
Shanach. Okay.
Karmani
Shatru is this. Karmani is both forms are Shanach.
No. Karmani is always
Padi. Yeah, both are Shanach, right?
Always Shanach. Karmani is always Shanach. Okay.
There it is. And so Alambate. So Alambate is so Alambamanaha is Kartari Shanach. And Alambyate is Karmani. Alambyamanaha is Karmani Shanach.
Uttamam.
Then Pachate. So Pachate Pachamanaha is Kartari. Or is it Pak?
No. Pachamanaha.
And then Pachyate and Pachyamana. Pak. Pachyamana.
Pachyamanaha only. Uttamam Bhagini.
So Bhagini, I have one doubt. Pach is a Ubhayapati Dhatu, right?
Yes.
So it will have
so
all the four
both,
forms.
all the four.
Yes.
So the Karmani Shatru and Karmani Shanach will be the same, right?
So there will be three forms for this Pach now. Pachan in Shatru, Kartari Shatru. Kartari Shanach madhye Pachamanaha. Karmani Shanach madhye Pachyamanaha. There are three forms to the Pach Dhatu because it is Ubhayapati. The Karmani Shanach is common. It will be the same in whether it's Ubhayapati or Parasmaya or whatever.
Shatru as well as in Shanach.
Yes. So, yeah. So there are three forms for Ubhayapadi. Kasyaha avasaraha? Pallavi Bhaginya avasara va? Samaya jata va?
Yeah, it's 8:05.
Samaya. So escape, huh? Right.
Actually, yes, I was just waiting.
Astu.
No, no,
Chinta
no
mastu,
escape.
Bhagini. We will
Do it next.
continue because this definitely needs to be looked into. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll
And
do it next time.
yes, and the following exercises are also very good. Lot of thought process goes into them. So
So
it is
that
pretty
book
good.
is available where, Lavanya?
Samskrita Bharati.
Oh, okay. Bye.
अस्तु स्थगयामः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओं धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः.